Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance training, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. So in today's video, so what requirement is, for example, so I have the day sales report. So here, so I have day sales like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, something like that. For example, whenever the user select, so Friday means I need to display the previous day sales. Okay, in the slicer, if the user select Friday means I need to display the previous day sales. For example, if user select Monday means I need to display the Friday sales. Okay, even when the user try to select whether it is Saturday or Sunday, even though if we select a weekend means we need to display the last weekday sales, it means that Friday only. So whether you select so Monday or Sunday or Saturday, whatever it is, these 3 days we need to show the Friday sales. But within that, whether you select Wednesday means we need to display Tuesday, Thursday means Wednesday, Friday means Thursday. Likewise, we have the requirement. So for that, so I have written the logic. I'll try to explain it. Now we'll try to test the report whether it's working correctly or not. Okay. Here we can see that this is a table and different card visuals and one slice. Here we can see that date column and sales amount and also weekend column and is weekday day number. So for example, now we'll try to test the report. For example, I am selecting, okay, so I'm selecting Friday. It means that so it has to show the 4th day. It means Thursday sales. First we'll try to see the what is the Thursday sales. So Thursday means 7.98. okay, so Thursday means 7.8. Now we'll try to see the Friday sales. It means that it has to show the 7.98. see 7.98 again. So we'll try to select Saturday. It means that so it has to display Friday sales. Okay, so it means that 43.83. we'll try to see that. So I'm trying to select Saturday. See 43.83. again I'm trying to select Sunday. So in that case also it has to show the Friday sales only. So what is the Friday sales? 43.83 only. See, and also Monday also same only. But whenever I select Tuesday means it has to display the Monday sale. So what is the Monday sales? 37.96. okay, we'll try to see that. So I'm trying to select Tuesday. See 37.96. so it means that it's working fine. We'll try to do one more test. I'm trying to select Friday. It means 12th. So it has to display the 11th sales. What is the 11th? So 57.83 it has to display. So let's see that. So I'm trying to click on Friday. 57.83. so it's giving so correctly only. Okay, based on the selection, so it's giving so fine. Now we'll try to understand so what kind of expressions I have written to get the expected output. Click on here, test. So try to zoom it so that we can see clearly. Okay, yeah, so basically so I have created a few variables to get the report in. Okay, so first so I have created the sales rank variable. Okay, here what I'm trying to capture the what is the first date from the slicer. So we have the slicer date slicer, right? So I'm trying to take the first date. So after that I have created another variable. So within this variable I am trying to find the max day number for this date. Okay, so I'm trying to pass this variable as an input parameter for this date column. I'm trying to find the day number. Again, I have created one more variable. Within this variable, I'm trying to find the, so whether it is weekend or weekday. Okay, whether it is weekend or weekday based on the this variable as a input. I'm trying to pass this variable as an input to this variable, so it's giving whether it is weekend or weekday. So again, I have created one more variable. Here I am trying to find, so if it is Saturday means I am trying to extract number 1 minus 1. It means that this variable minus 1. Again, so if the variable value is Sunday means number minus 2. Again, if the variable is Monday means number minus 3. So out of these three conditions, I am just trying to extract number minus 1. It means that previous day only. Okay. So again, finally, so I'm trying to filter by passing this variable as a input parameters to the filter function. Okay, likewise, I have written the expression to get the expected output. So I think so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, we can send me an email. Drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.